Ketoflu symptoms. Embarking on the ketogenic diet can feel like stepping into a new world, energizing, empowering, and full of promise. But for many, the early days come with an unexpected twist, the keto flu. This temporary condition, though not contagious or dangerous, can derail your motivation and leave you questioning your new lifestyle. Understanding the symptoms and learning how to overcome them is crucial to unlocking the full benefits of keto. The keto flu occurs as your body transitions from burning carbohydrates to using fat as its primary fuel source, a state called ketosis. During this adaptation period, your body sheds excess water and electrolytes, leading to a temporary imbalance. This shift can trigger a cluster of flu-like symptoms such as fatigue, headaches, brain fog, irritability, muscle cramps, and nausea. These symptoms usually appear within the first few days of starting keto and can last anywhere from a few days to a week. But why does this happen? When carbohydrate intake drops, insulin levels decline, prompting the kidneys to excrete sodium and water more rapidly. This diuretic effect is beneficial for reducing bloating, but it also leads to dehydration and mineral loss. Without proper replenishment, your body struggles to adjust, leading to the classic keto flu symptoms. Recognizing these signs early is the first step to managing them effectively. If you're feeling unusually tired or mentally sluggish after starting keto, it's not a sign of failure, it's your body adapting to a new fuel source. The good news? There are proven strategies to ease this transition. First, hydrate thoroughly. Water alone isn't enough, you also need electrolytes. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are your best allies during this phase. A pinch of Himalayan salt in your water or a homemade electrolyte drink can work wonders. Focus on whole, nutrient-dense foods rich in these minerals. Avocados, leafy greens, and bone broth are excellent choices. Second, don't rush the carb cut. Gradually reducing your carbohydrate intake can give your body more time to adapt and reduce the severity of symptoms. Pair this with moderate exercise like walking or yoga to help the body use up its remaining glycogen stores without adding stress. Lastly, rest. Prioritize sleep and give yourself grace during the adjustment period. Remember, keto flu is temporary, but its lessons last. Listening to your body, nourishing it properly, and easing into new habits are practices that will serve you well beyond this phase. Share your experiences or questions in the comments. Let's navigate this transformation together.